So in the last video, I showed you what the Apple Watch Series 8 looked like in the unboxing, and now I'll show you what's inside the Apple Watch Series 8. New features such as crash detection, which is one of the new ones, where if you're in a crash or an accident, the Apple Watch will alert you and call 911 for you, contact emergency services for you. And it also has a new temperature sensor, which is more accurate, as well as the ECG, which detects irregularities in your heart rate. But you have to be at least a certain years old for that. And there's also the stock market you can view on it. There are multiple apps which, if you use, you can use, such as the workout app, as well as the sleep tracking app, which tracks the type of sleep you had and the quality of your sleep. And there's also a heart rate monitor in it. And it has the latest processor in it. Real smooth, real nice. Also, there's the multitasking feature. You could also control your music from the Apple Watch if you choose to do so. And it would either play on your phone or your AirPods. And then there's multiple watch faces. Currently, I have only 2 of them set. And in the watch faces, you can have functions such as, like, you can choose what to put in the corners. Here I have temperature, and here I have the weather. Here I have my fitness, and here I have my timer, which I use for studying.